Global space agencies are accelerating deep space exploration through new astronomical technologies. These missions aim to uncover the origins of our universe and test cutting-edge hardware in harsh environments. This progress is critical for expanding human knowledge and securing our future beyond Earth's atmosphere. The International Space Station is celebrating a quarter-century of continuous scientific operations in orbit. Researchers have utilized the microgravity environment to conduct breakthroughs in medicine, materials, science, and physics that are impossible to replicate on the ground. This milestone highlights the station's role as a vital laboratory for long-term human spaceflight. Researchers across multiple disciplines broke several long-standing scientific records throughout 2025. These discoveries range from advancements in particle physics to unprecedented biological findings that challenge current models. These achievements provide new data that will reshape how scientists approach future experiments. Penn State is partnering with Discovery Space to provide hands-on science activities for families to conduct at home. By offering accessible STEM experiments, the program aims to bridge the gap between academic research and public education. This initiative encourages students to pursue scientific interests outside the traditional classroom setting. The National Academies of Sciences has released a strategic plan for the next 10 years of solar and space physics. The initiative focuses on protecting Earth's infrastructure from solar radiation, while expanding our understanding of the sun's behavior. This research is essential for safeguarding satellite communications and power grids from potential cosmic interference. Discovery Space of Central Pennsylvania is hosting educational workshops that teach children chemistry through DIY projects like crafting bouncy balls. The center uses these interactive demonstrations to illustrate complex molecular concepts in an engaging way. This hands-on approach helps foster early interest in science and engineering careers. Dignity Health is launching a new medical facility located at the Arizona Cardinals headquarters site. This campus will provide specialized clinical services to both athletes and the surrounding community. The move integrates high-level sports medicine with general healthcare access in a centralized location. The Carle, Illinois College of Medicine is reshaping the healthcare ecosystem by merging medical training with engineering principles. By focusing on technology-driven solutions, the college is training doctors to build innovative tools for patient care. This shift aims to reduce healthcare inefficiencies and improve clinical outcomes through rapid development cycles. Newark officials have launched a pilot program that treats chronic health conditions by providing patients with prescribed, nutritious food. The initiative aims to reduce healthcare costs and improve patient wellness by addressing the root causes of diet-related illnesses. If successful, this model could be adopted by other cities to combat health disparities. A new KFF report reveals that a growing number of Americans are struggling to afford basic medical care and prescription drugs. Many households are forced to delay treatment or skip necessary procedures due to high out-of-pocket expenses. This financial strain is creating a cycle of worsening health outcomes for low to middle-income families. Recent data shows a sharp increase in the number of children visiting emergency rooms for mental health crises. Experts point to a combination of social stressors and a lack of available outpatient services as the primary drivers of this trend. This surge highlights an urgent need for expanded pediatric mental health infrastructure. The World Health Organization has issued new guidelines to standardize the quality and availability of essential medicines worldwide. These updates are intended to help developing nations ensure their supply chains remain safe and effective against preventable diseases. This global effort is designed to reduce mortality rates caused by substandard or falsified medical products. Productized OS has introduced a MasterClass program designed to help corporate professionals convert their industry experience into independent startups. The course provides a framework for scaling business ideas into seven-figure ventures. This move targets employees looking to transition out of the corporate world into the founder ecosystem. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce has launched a new portal for small businesses to access free grants and growth programs. These financial resources are designed to help entrepreneurs overcome initial capital barriers and stabilize operations. This initiative aims to stimulate economic growth by supporting the development of local enterprises. Business experts are clarifying the definition and funding stages of startups to help new entrepreneurs navigate the market. Understanding the difference between a high-growth startup and a traditional small business is essential for securing appropriate venture capital. This guide serves to prepare founders for the unique risks and requirements of scaling a new company. A new industry analysis identifies the 24 fastest-growing startups currently dominating the market in May 2026. These companies are seeing rapid adoption due to their ability to solve specific industry pain points with innovative technology. Investors are closely monitoring these firms as indicators of broader economic and technological trends. A comprehensive new resource outlines the fundamental requirements for launching and sustaining a successful startup. It covers the transition from initial concept to market viability and the critical role of scalable business models. This guide provides a roadmap for founders looking to attract investment and achieve long-term profitability. A new report argues that internal corporate projects labeled as startups rarely achieve the agility of independent companies. The study finds that bureaucratic structures often stifle the innovation necessary for true startup success. This analysis warns corporations that attempting to replicate startup culture internally is often ineffective without radical organizational change.